problem says, in a model of the solar system, Earth and Mars are depicted as spheres where Earth has a diameter of 15 inches and Mars has a diameter of 8 inches. How much greater is the surface area of the Earth model than the surface area of the Mars model? So over here I have circles to represent the spheres. This one's going to be Earth, and the red one's going to be Mars. I apologize for the flashing mouse. I'm not really sure what that's about. So we're talking about surface area, the difference in surface area between these two models. So I need to know the formula for the surface area of a sphere, which luckily is on your reference sheet right here. The surface area of a sphere is equal to 4 times pi times radius squared. So that's pretty nice. All we need is the radius of each of these things, which is given to us in the question. It says that Earth's diameter is 15 inches. It's the best I can do. Which means if I want the radius for Earth, I need to cut the diameter in half. So the radius for Earth is 7.5 inches. And I'm going to do the same thing for Mars. I have to use a different color so that you can see it. So we'll go to Mars and make a diameter. And they've told me that this diameter is 8 inches all the way across. So we need to cut that in half. Hopefully we know, whoops, that half of 8 is 4. So that tells me that Mars's diameter is 4 inches. So now I can find the surface area of each. Reference page said surface area equals 4 pi r squared. When I look at my options over here, all of these options have pi in them. So they're wanting us to answer this question in terms of pi. So you're just going to leave pi, you're going to treat it like a variable. We're not going to turn it into numbers. So our answer will come out rational. So I'm going to do 4 times pi, which will just stay a symbol, times 7.5 squared. And for Mars, I'm going to do 4 times pi times 4 squared. So the volume of the Earth, I'm just going to square 7.5 and multiply that by 4. So Earth's surface area is 225 pi inches squared. Over here, 4 squared is 16. Still going to put it in the calculator. 4 squared times 4. That tells me that the surface area of Mars is 64 pi inches squared. And our question is asking how much greater the surface area of the Earth model is than the surface area of the Mars model. So our best option here would be to subtract 64 from 225. So 225 minus 64 gives us a difference of 161 pi square inches of difference between these two surface areas. And that is option A. So A would be our answer to this problem.